Yo mana ni naimba.
Na kwa sauti ya kune kuuga mbu tika kuboka ya nduimbo cheita.
Hapo dire na lava ino durato na Andre Kochi era nanosho.
Tukithirikiria reverend Ûrea atere. Metha ije tujana benja imbizinya ba hana inyaba litoba bange ba university bakebo bagita long holiday bange benja bangi baletre long holiday Ûrea natea bomba kwithro bagitara nduimbo ira bakuthikira nikenda chithiro ikibateria kiri muturire jwaago.
Thank you. Allow me to address this one in English so that they can understand. One, as a student as a student and you want to choose the music that you want to listen to.
Yes.
Bombere, just ask yourself, what do I need from this music? What message is there for me? What do I want to become after listening to this kind of music? When you ask yourself these questions, they help you to understand the reason why you need to choose a certain music over the other.
Yes.
Therefore, don't. My advice to young people, especially those in universities or those who are at home already, please don't listen to every music because it's there to be listened to. Just listen to music which will help you. Ile that you promote wewe ngo as a person you build to become the person that you wish to become every day. Any other song that when you listen no kwa kirundugia kwa kikuinama. You're feeling a lot of anger, na violence gaje kupru inside you. Please, I beg you by the mercies of God, don't listen to that song. It will tell you as a young person.
Yes.
It has nothing to do with you at all.
Yes.
Yes.
Ibwenga.
Reverend kwa ndaike mauge bwa kuba mwezo tokethira karwara geto kegie nduimbo rukiriro munde eubureko.
Uge bokuba mwisho ndiuga to our parents. Kindly parents, I know our children barinja. Now they want to listen to every sort of music that is coming around. Some of the music like there's this song of this lady called Lady Gaga. She says, I sold my soul to the devil. Now you find her singing, what the meaning Lady Gaga, she comes from, she's a self-proclaimed Illuminati. Yes, she's from a Freemason world. Therefore, when she says, I sold my soul to the devil, this is what she means. Then you go mwana no arini terimbo rora iniri a sweatera kenere aigi tubuega na tekome. So my advice to our parents is, and to our brothers and sisters who are older than us, please sit down with us, the young generation, to tell you when you hear me listening to a certain song, completely. I may not be knowing. Ntara as my elder or my senior. No, then to the youths, please, because there's a lot of life ahead of you. When something also don't listen to every song. Be choosy to the kind of music that you want to listen, the way automo become to somebody that you wish to become in life.
Thank you, Reverend. Kuogoga kwena isio zoratweka kuogetatua cheye kuthikira ndu mwana watavu. Maybe mtu akienda wochwa personal mutedia ke mataromba gukinyirata.
Urogenda contact, I can contact through my mobile phone 0711 76 7099 0711 767099.
Mitandao ne weku?
Mitandao ndeku ncheta Ndewangai.
Ndeo
Ndewangai. Huyo Jason Ndewangai.
Thank you, Reverend.
Bwega re.
Ngiye kire go muthikira watathikira rukiro.